We have discussed in our previous video about the causes of asthma and who is at the most risk of suffering from asthma. In case you missed watching our last video, please find the link in the description below. Asthma, who is at risk? In this video, we will talk further about the symptoms, diagnosis, and treatment plan of asthma. Let's begin by talking about its symptoms. Symptoms of asthma. Asthma can have different symptoms, such as tight chest, coughing, usually at night or early morning, struggling to breathe properly, wheezing or whistling sound when you breathe out. These symptoms can be mild or severe. They might appear daily or only sometimes. Asthma attacks. An asthma attack occurs when the airway narrows, making it difficult to breathe. During an asthma attack, symptoms might get even worse. Attacks can happen gradually or suddenly and may even be life-threatening. People with severe asthma suffer from asthma attacks more frequently. If you're having frequent asthma attacks, your treatment may need adjustment. How is asthma diagnosed? Doctors use different methods to check if you have asthma: physical exam and medical history, to understand your symptoms and triggers. Lung function tests, spirometry. This test checks how well your lungs work. In this test, a small machine is attached to a mouthpiece through which you take a deep breath in, hold it for a few seconds, and then exhale as hard as you can into the mask. This measures how much air you can breathe in and out of your lungs. Peak expiratory flow, PEF. This test requires a handheld device called peak flow meter that is used to measure how fast you can blow air out, using your maximum effort. Airway reaction tests. In this test, you inhale certain allergens or medicines to see how your airways respond. A spirometry test is done before and after the test. Fractional exhaled nitric oxide, FeNO, test. This test measures nitric oxide levels in your breath when you breathe out. High levels of nitric oxide may mean that there is inflammation in your lungs. If you are diagnosed with asthma, you will need to consult your doctor for a treatment plan. Here are a few treatment options for asthma. What is the treatment for asthma? The treatment plan will include ways to manage your asthma symptoms and prevent asthma attacks. These include strategies to avoid triggers, staying away from things that worsen your asthma, like smoke or allergens. Quick relief medicines. These include inhalers or some medicines that provide quick relief. They are supposed to be carried along always. They help prevent symptoms or relieve symptoms during an asthma attack. Control medicines. These medicines are taken every day to help prevent symptoms. They reduce airway inflammation and prevent the narrowing of the airways. Advanced treatment, bronchial thermoplasty. For adults with uncontrolled asthma, doctors might suggest a procedure called bronchial thermoplasty. It uses heat to shrink the muscles in your lungs, making it easier to breathe. This is usually the last option and might carry some risks. So, it is always recommended to discuss with your doctor in detail about such tests. Stay safe, avoid triggers, and follow your treatment plan.